guys, it's your boy Sehigo, and today is the day. Enough out of the bull, and yes, today is the day, and yeah, I know I've been having, I've been told y'all I've been chilling a lot lately, and I have been, so now it's time to get to work on bloody Zilla. So, and I ain't gonna lie, all the time I've been sitting up, watching all these builds and stuff come out, I'm like, man, it's time for me to do something. So, yeah, I just seen like another Nismo 350Z come out the shop, but it's a 4.2 liter. It's twin turbo. I never seen that. Yeah, I seen them on the Z page on Facebook. I can't never get this snap when I'm on camera. It's so tight, but it holds you in. There you go. And yeah, his is a 4.2 liter with twins on it. So I talk to the guy every now and then. And yeah, it's like I've been talking to a lot of people from Cali, like Low Tech. He hit me up. He wanted a photo of my Z, so I sent him a photo of my Z, and I was like blown when he said that. But I talked to him before. It's like me and him talk, like in general. And yeah. But yeah, look, I can't talk. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna go see what I can do with her. And yeah, what I'll probably do is mount the tires on there, see if those tires can fit. Those tires I took off this Z. And yeah, and I can roll her back, and then I'm gonna see about lighting her up. Probably not today, but probably tomorrow if I don't finish this vlog today. But oh yeah, I'm gonna see what else I can do to her. So yeah, but in the meantime, that's what I'm finna do right now. Like, it's finna storm, so I'm gonna see if I can squeeze in a little footage for today, and tomorrow hopefully it'll be sunny. But I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, you guys, so I just made the jimmies, and this is the motor I seen on his Facebook page. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, this right here, this pure NA. Like literally, this motor, it was, let me see, I think it was about, let me see, probably about right, I say maybe up here. And it moved way back there by itself when he started the motor. It's like, and he had it running for a couple minutes because it doesn't have any water or anything. It has oil at least. And this thing is a monster. It's the same, as a matter of fact, it's the motor out of his out of the truck he rebuilt. I'm pretty sure y'all remember this truck. Hold on, let me show y'all. Show on the truck. Same motor came out of this truck. Yes, he got it back. The guy got him another vehicle, so yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all remember this truck. And yeah, he just basically did a little bit of more modifying for the motor, so yes, it's a monster.
385 cubic inches.
That's and that's it. God.
It's nowhere near quite finished. We're still working the bugs out of it, but
yeah.
I've been so long waiting to get my own motor put together. I just kind of slapped it together. We don't even have valve cover gaskets on it right this second because I'm going to have to do a valve adjustment after running a little bit. But it'll leak a little oil, smoke a little bit, but we're going to show you the fire that comes out the exhaust and get to listen to this thing just sit there and idle.
There you have it.
About to weld the engine stand because, well, it's been wallowing out the pin. So, yeah. Here we go, some fucking air.
That's a monster. Hands down, that's a monster.
And it walked itself away from the battery and pulled the power wire out of the MSD box, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry, but it cut down your phone.
We got to get the video on that when it's in the car. Alright, you guys, it's the next day, and right now I'm on Instagram trying to go live, which I am live right now, but nobody's on there yet. As you can see. Well, you can't really see. I just love those, man, still. But right now, what my plan is to do is slap the wheels on the Zilla, and yeah, just see what I can lighten up some more. So yeah, I'm really thinking about lighting that car up even more. So yeah. Hold on, let me get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, you guys, so today I'm gonna attempt to so I can see, put the wheels on here, and yeah, I know I gotta swap all of that out, so yeah, don't worry about that. I'm gonna have some more stuff coming on the way. And yeah, actually I know, yeah, it's been a long time since I've been messing with her, but today is the day. A lot is gonna change on this car, I'm telling you. A lot, like literally a lot. Everything, like look, I got cobwebs back there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Y'all can see it, but I got a cobweb back up under there. The fuel tank still from up under there, and yeah, got the bumper in here. Let me see. Yeah. Yep. Oh, bloody Zilla. You just wait, man. Oh, I miss that smell. I miss that smell, because this is when I first bought this car, man. I fell in love with a 300, and I drove for the first time. I'm like, oh my gosh, my dad gonna freak out, you know. But at the same time, I'm like, you know, I ain't think about it, because it's in the long run, he's gonna complain regardless, you know. Well, you know, you talking about this and that, so yeah. I don't know. I'm debating about swapping the gauges out to the cluster, but I don't, you know, I don't want to go through all that right now. Like, I want to swap that out, put carbon fiber in that, but I know what I might do is take the steering wheel off and get like a aftermarket steering. I'm not sure which steering wheel I want to go with. So yeah, but basically, yeah. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna replace the seats with some bucket seats, like light as hell. Look, and I still, let's see, it says I got gas in it, but I don't. I don't know. So yeah, a lot of stuff is coming off this car, like the door panels. What else? Maybe, just maybe, I might take this off. It's in the MIGS. What else? Yeah, a lot of this is coming out, so I don't know. But yeah, like I was saying, this build is gonna be crazy, and yeah, like really, it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. I can't wait, you guys. And oh yeah, this is the remember this? The beater, the old beater we had got for Alec. We wanted another shell, so we got a free shell basically. Well, not another shell, but yeah. So I don't know. I think he's still gonna go through with this build, but at the same time, I think him and Eric gonna be together on that. So I don't know. Y'all have to get with him. Well, I'll get with him for y'all. I mean, yeah. Like right now, he's fooling his car, and oh Max, that barking, and yeah. So that's how my hood looked like. Migo, I remember. I don't know if y'all remember, but Migo, yeah, that's how my hood looked. So yeah, and I gotta get my windshield replaced. That's like dry rotted. Like right now, I feel like I can push it in. but I don't want to, you know, risk it. So, yeah. But other than that, woof, I'm thinking about, you know, really just going through with this car. Like the bumper, I might leave it bumperless like that. Like really, just leave it bumperless like this. And maybe I don't know. I'm thinking about putting the fuel tank back in soon. I don't know. I might just hold off on that because I really want to wait. You know, swap out a lot of things. You know, down there. And yeah, but who is this? I don't know who this is, but yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I'm finna get to work on this. See, it's time. It's getting close to fall, so it's close enough for me. And yeah, like I told you, I was planning on finishing this car in July, which I really could have, but at the same time, I ended up buying me another Z. So I ain't gonna lie, that kind of messed me up right there. But at the same time, it didn't, because now I ain't gotta worry about paying so much high insurance on a, you know, on a Acura. So yeah. But hold on, let me get back with y'all in a minute. All right, so I'm take all this out and yeah. So I'm gonna do a time lapse for that, and yeah, stick around.